Okay, now we're going to make sure we have the TypeScript compiler on our computer. So with a new command prompt, okay, I have one opened. You can type tsc-v. If you don't have TypeScript, this will give you an error. But I do have TypeScript, and it's showing me the version number. Now, if you don't have TypeScript, it would say something like unrecognized command. So you can run this line, npm install g for global TypeScript. And even if you do have it, it's just going to install the latest version for you. Okay, so that's done. So you can run tsc-v again. If you just press the up arrow, it shows you the last commands that you've typed. So I just press the up arrow twice and I've got tsc-v again. Press enter, 545. So I've got a newer version. But that's okay. Very little changes between versions. So it doesn't really matter what version you've got. If it's higher than 5, then that's good. Now, if you were using PowerShell, you'd have to type a slightly different command. So I'm going to open PowerShell. Windows PowerShell there. Okay, it looks a lot like command. Now, if you type tsc-v like that, gives you a pretty horrible error message. What you do is you write tsc.cmd like that, -v, and now you get a version number. So when you're running commands in PowerShell, sometimes it would give you this error message. It cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. So one way around that is to add the .command there, just like I did with the tsc there, and that should help you bypass that error in most cases. We will use Windows PowerShell in VS Code, so that's useful to know. Excellent.